Hello everyone, happy August. It's been long since you heard from me. Zesco, but it's in Kisa, but Zesco. So there's this very nice kit here which is really helping me out lately because we are having power issues from 05 to 21 hours. So for someone who's an online person, it's really becoming difficult to live life like this. So I'm going to show you how to arrange this kit. So this is my solar kit. This is an inverter and this is a battery. So what this does is it converts the energy in the battery into electrical energy. All right. So this inverter has these terminals. So the red goes with red and the black goes on the blue side, but it's supposed to be red, red, black, black. Anyone can do this. If I can do this, anyone can. So you're going to connect the red like that. And the black terminal goes the side, right? And then we can turn it on like that. Immediately you turn it on, it starts to make a sound. So I recommend that you put this somewhere where it won't be disturbing you. So you get your adapter, right? So this is your adapter. So as you can see, there are three. There's these three parts, there's the two parts and the one part for charging your phone. So for an adapter, you're going to plug it here. Okay, so as it turns on like that. All right, so it's definitely on. The Wi-Fi is connected, as you can see there. The TV is now connected. As you can see, if you can see this very clearly, I'm not connected to the socket there. I'm just connected directly to the inverter. So the TV is on. So this kit can power your TV. You can see it's charging. So the fan, it can also power a fan. So you put it here. Okay. So it can power a fan. You can see vis-a-vis. I'm not making anything up. So for your phone, you can put it directly here. You can see here on the USB. See? You can plug it directly. All right. So as you can see, you can now enjoy television when there is no power. Very affordable kit. Very affordable kit. Whilst you are waiting to raise that 25,000 for that massive solar kit, you can start with this one. Okay. So that's it.